I was trying to record and I pasted the recorder's file name MPEG on my Word document and save it. And then I searched base 44 no code MBA.
But I like no code MBA, no spaces for no code, and then base 44 a day.
And here you can see my URL.
Yeah, but I like it better the other way. He does live comparisons.
Fine, sir. Just don't overwhelm me.
No, I don't want to overwhelm you, but I want to show you what I did.
Just a second. Get organized.
And he compares. What I like is he
Which one is it that you
really like. Let me see. Give me come here. This was not bad. All of them were good in the way
which one does it show code?
he could. She
Just
no,
story.
no, he doesn't.
Show me what that it does an application from beginning to end that you can imitate and come up with similar results.
Yeah, this one.
In an application that is interesting to implement in a class and any business.
See, he does this one. This one was through Tribase. This one. It wasn't the full. This wasn't build the full stack API.
Send them an email.
Yeah.
Does he have
No.
a phone number too?
No. I sent him a LinkedIn. Telling him that wanted him to speak at my class.
You can go to his site and
I know. I know. But
click on screen.
I went to his site already. Okay. He did a financial one that I thought was good. I don't like it the way you did it.
Do it any way you want. Now
Okay.
it's yours. And now that I documented what I did, whatever you want. Read out loud what you typed there, please, so I can understand it. I cannot read so well. What do you type? No code MBA base 44?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Financial. Because I thought that was a good one. He shows financial little app. You know what I mean? That it's not Hello World. Let's see which one. This was not bad too. He shows lovable versus
What is, but it's not base for, oh, what is it doing there? App Builder comes out
this
on
was
top, but what is the app?
oh, the app is basically motivating you for exercise. Like you want to go do a marathon. It's tracking your site, but he did one
Tracking your what? Finishes.
tracking your steps, tracking what you're doing, and telling you
Physical
congratulations.
steps with your legs.
No, just like you need to do. You want to do a 5K. These are the things you need to do for increase 10%. And he shows how to use. What's nice is he showed you the back end how you can what base 40. I don't want it that one. I say I'm trying to find it. Okay.
Okay.
No, I was thinking the finance was the better one. You know he used. I'm trying to find it. Maybe if I go to this one, it'll show me the other ones that he has. See, but he goes. Yeah. Okay. No. Okay. But this was not it. If I can go to other ones, try a referral link, and then maybe after I finish this, I can get to other ones. Here's this one. Hold on. So this is his referral link. You'll see lovable. It's my guide using lovable and cursor. Wait, this maybe. Let me see this one.
If you
Okay,
want to
maybe
build
it's
an app
this one.
and
This one. Okay. Well, let me see which one he does. Oh, this one. Okay. See, he does it. I think this. Oh, what's nice too about it, the base 44, you can work as a team. You know.
So let's find
Wait,
the
hold on,
financial
B. I
application.
am, Mavi. I can't rush it,
Don't
okay?
rush it. Take
No,
your
but
time.
I told you I'm looking for it, okay? You told me 10 times. Yeah, this is another one. No, no, this is not the one. Okay, this is not the
I
one.
don't.
But I told you 10 times, and then you keep on saying, oh, what happened? Show something that you need to do. There was one where at least it was financial. I saw him do. You know what I mean? But he has a.
Why don't you write the URL so I can
I
find it
I have
like
it in
I
my
do?
other. I have it in my other one, my other computer. I put it on.
So email it to me.
Okay,
You
I have
have
to
the
go to my
computer.
other computer.
Go.
Okay. Go,
Take your time.
go. You take your time, but then your financial app. Is this the one? I don't think this is. I don't think I've seen this one. In this video, you are going to watch me build a real Let me see this one. I haven't seen that.
I've seen it.
You've seen that one?
Yes, he does a search for podcasts
No, that's not what the one.
and he finds podcasts.
Is that, I've seen that one, but that was it. This is not the one. I've seen that one. Oh, I've seen this one. We just looked at that. I don't want this one. I haven't seen that one. Let me go to my computer. You know what I mean? They don't do a good job, you know what I mean? I don't think his name is on there. He doesn't. He hides kind of his name, which is interesting. You know?
Who cares about his name?
Well, I'm just seeing if I can
No one
find it.
cares about Tommy. Making an app that
Mm,
is replicatable and the app
no,
is not hello world.
no, it's fine. Features again.
Something that
Features.
somebody can actually.
Fine. Maybe this is. I haven't seen this. It's moving fast. The girl that's in front of them. Which one does he show here? Oh, so he's doing like notebook all that, and you understand? I don't want this.
Why? Notebook LM is useful.
No, but he does something similar to notebook
Yeah,
out as a
that's fine.
they
So
did as a study session. Okay. It's using it as no code. Let me check. This was a financial one. Let me go to my computer. Because this was good in the way that he was doing it as, personal financial. Your personal, that was good. But I see what it is. Not so bad.
Will you ever find it?
No, but let me go to my other computer. This is crushing your goals. He shows you step by step. You know, it's like you have a goal you want to
Yeah.
accomplish,
Yeah.
and then basically it
But
says
is there an application that you can take yourself and run it actually, or?
this is the application. It's showing
Mm.
to crush it. It's I see what it is. It's a little bit like Wix, you know, that you do. I have to try it out myself, but it gives you like little templates to use that it can create your own with different categories. Have you looked at it?
Yeah, but I could never see really a list of step by step. Even if you take his transcript, you cannot follow.
Yeah, just stop it. It's
Besides,
actually
they charge you credits, and
but get it free. She's gonna give us codes to get it free. Like that's not the issue. The issue is they're little like little. It's almost like a little game kind of thing, and then you publish, and then you can share the link with somebody, and everybody can run. I like one that I found. I'm going to go to my computer where it's. I want to create a personalized financial app for like budgeting, something like that. I don't know what else to use it, but he's also showing even more technical. You can do within it. You can get ChatGPT or Gemini. You don't have to go out, and you can, you know, like the other ones, you can use those. You don't have to sign up for them. They're integrated into the program. So he's showing you the back end of APIs and things like that. This is his more sophisticated one. He's connecting to Stripe. And Stripe, do you know what Stripe is? It's basically you can start charging. If you wanted to do like e-commerce, you know, charge for the app or something like that. This is like Gold Crusher he's showing it. But he did this 25 days ago. See, he's crush your goals. And then you can go here if you want to add my goals instead of yours. You can just go into design mode and you may crush my goals. And each time you can create something. I just don't know how much. In a way, it's easy to do. A website is similar that it produces. It's like no code a website, and then in the website you get a domain name. This way you don't get any domain name or anything that they give you. You just have an app that you run, but they're not putting it into like um, iOS store or Google store or something like that that you can.
he said that they do.
No, but he doesn't show it. They said they do. You have to pay for that. You understand?
You pay for it.
Yeah, so
It
I'm
is
going to copy it.
a useful application.
Right.
This time already you took about 3 or 4 times as much as it would go to the computer if you really have something there and send an email with a link.
Okay, so I'm checking it out. I'm looking
Yeah.
because he has some new ones that I hadn't seen, so and I put it on
Why
mute.
don't
So
you go to his website?
his website doesn't have it all.
Has all his videos
I saw them, but I
in
didn't see.
YouTube.
I saw them in you. I saw them, but I
None
couldn't
of
find.
them is the one that you
I
found
don't.
before.
No. So I have to go look. You understand? But this is. See, he uses the crusher concept. You see, like if you wanted to get yourself in shape for a 5K run, what do you have to do? I just didn't find that compelling. You know what I mean? You create a new goal. What's your new goal? You're training for the 5K. That's what he used. They have some templates there. This is not the one that I was looking at, you know. On this one, he also uses the same one of that goal, you know, creating goals.
Here, this is the one
What?
that you used his
No, I.
bot.
Is that?
Same
Oh,
guy.
oh, is he?
Yes, he does the same thing.
Okay.
Maybe he does a better job. I don't
Yeah.
know.
See. Okay. Let me see. Maybe we can talk about that one too. Yeah, that's it. But does it go through? Makes it open. Okay. I'm no coder. Okay, so he's doing marketing too. Jason 10, he's getting, they're doing affiliates, so he did it a month ago. So which one is he showing? Did you listen to him?
Yes.
Welcome back, Jason.
Why do you remove the audio now?
You
I'm
were
recording it without audio.
Oh, because you were sleeping. I didn't want to wake you.
What sense is it to record it?
Because you were sleeping, Avi. I was
Okay,
being considerate, okay?
sleep with audio.
You didn't.
Fine.
So that's why I did it.
I'm so tired.
The bottom there. I'll create a larger version. There we are. That's nice. And then you can also upload a profile photo. So actually, I'll just go and grab that as well. Okay, let's do that. So click upload profile. Any kind of first, which you then I want to try and build. So this is the interface here for base 44. There's a link that's in this video and also an option to get some free credits by using my code. So I don't know about you, but every time I set up a new business in the past or added a new employee to my email accounts and everything, you always have to create like a new email signature. And I usually use something like this, one of these kind of free online email signature platforms, brand full of ads and everything. Some of them are like free, but as soon as you want to use any kind of advanced features, you then have to pay. So what I thought I'd do is use Spaceful to actually create, because hey, I might actually use it myself too. So here we are in the back end. Very simple and straightforward. We've got a prompt area right here. You could also go and upload any images. So for example, if you create a website or something, or you've seen a dashboard or some other software that you would really like to model, then you can give it that to help it understand what you want. And we've got some styling instructions right here. And then you can just click the word, literally add style instructions, and then it will just put that straight into the prompt so that it's able to create this kind of really cool styling. This one's really cool, isn't it? To decide to build. We've got our docs and support up there as well, integrations and so on. So it's a nice, clean, simple back-end system. Now, I've gone ahead and created a beast of a prompt. So let me show you the whole thing here. So I'm going to create a new email generator, an email signature generator called Signature Stations. It's a web app, and it's going to allow people to sign up for free and then store all their signatures in there for later to access them whenever they want. So we're going to need user authentication. Now, Base 40 has it all in one place, so you don't have to have these separate services like Superbase and so on. It's all dealt with within Base 44. So I think it's very good for beginners who are not used to having to connect up different pieces of software. You don't have the coding knowledge that you sometimes really do seem to need with some of these really advanced apps. So here is my big long prompt, and let's see how well it can take from that. So all we do is literally press the magic button and then send that straight through to the agent. It's good because it's kind of showing me there the full prompt that I put in, and now it's planning it all out like magic. I mean, this would normally take, of course, a whole team of people, and you would have to come up with everything that you wanted and have a very, very clear, human understandable plan of what it is that you wanted a real developer to do. That would take a long time. Then the developer or developers would then have to get to work creating the environment to put all of this code onto, and then literally creating it back and forth with you all the time. Do you like this? Do you want me to move that? So, and it takes a long time and a lot of money to create it. So this new age that we're in, where we can use software like Base 44, just go, oh, I'd love to build this, and then just be able to do it simply by typing in Albert Wine's desires. I think we're in an incredibly exciting age. And of course, there's no reason why you can't monetize a lot of these apps. that you can create as well. So looking at where it's got to so far, this is in 3 minutes. It has created the user entity, the signature, signing bit, and the layout, the dashboard page, the builder page, and the form component, the signature preview section, and now it's just on the export panel component. And it's done that in 3 minutes. It is absolutely ridiculous. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what comes up. This is where it will come up right here on the right hand side. So you'll get a preview of the app, and then we can go down here, down in the bottom there. So editing. And we're done. In around 5 minutes. Base 44 has created for me a very nice looking email signature app, and we are going to try it out. So just at the top there, you can see it says publish. I've done that, and here it is. So this is our sign up page. So I'm going to just go ahead and sign up right now. I'll do it with my Google account, although you can, of course, just use your name, your email, and your password. And I'm in. That's it. So, wow, look at that. We've got two signatures there already, a professional and a minimum design. And let's go in now and just create one from scratch. We'll create a new signature. Whoa, look at this. This is impressive. So, signature name. Yeah, let's call this. I'm going to call this Fast Forbes. That's my business. So, I'm going to go Jason West. Let's actually create myself a really nice one. Job title, CEO, company name, passports, there we go, and then phone number, I'm just going to put any number for that, and then email address, let's just put in the email, there we go, oops, and then that, website URL, HTTPS, there we go, passports, done. So it's starting to build it here on the right hand side. Obviously it looks a bit lame at the moment, so let's just go to the next section, which is branding. And then I'm going to upload the company logo. Let's do that here. With that logo there. So that is the Facebook's logo. There it is. You can see it just appearing at the bottom there. I'll create a larger version. There we are. That's nice. Then you can also upload a profile photo. So actually, I'll just go and grab that as well. Okay, let's do that. So we'll click upload profile. I'll just use my YouTube channel one. There it is. So it's pushed everything to the right. And look at that. There we go. That is starting to look pretty smart there. Then we've got social media. So you can add in all of the different links to your various things. Well, I think I've put my YouTube somewhere, so let's go and add that as well. Yeah, actually, the quickest way to get this is just to go straight to my website, and I can go into all of the links at the top here. Here we go. So if I right click on there, and just click link address, go to a fancy new signature thing. Here we go. There we are. So that's YouTube. I see it's put the little icon there, which is really cool. And then put in like LinkedIn as well. So let's copy that link address. Oops, I'm gonna get rid of that one there. There we go. Let's put LinkedIn like that. So it's starting to appear there as well. So I'm liking this. This looks really, really good. And then you can also put a custom link in there, I see. And then I think once you're happy with it, you can see what it looks like on mobile as well. That looks good. Desktop and mobile view. Let's go with the desktop one there. And look at the bottom. What I asked it to do was also to put like a little bit of branding on the bottom, created with Signature Station. And of course, if I was to do this now, I'd go and buy a domain name for it, probably signaturestation.com or something like that if it was free. And then every time somebody used my completely free software, they would have a link in their signature going to this. And that's of course how you get free business and you get free people coming to your domain. You start to build it up, then you can introduce some paid features as well. So far I'm really liking this. Then we've got HTML, so you can copy the HTML and then paste that into Gmail or to Outlook or whatever. Or you can download the code just here and there. There's also even some help. Look at this. Gmail help, Outlook help, and Apple help. Full instructions on how to add this signature to each of those major platforms. Right now I'm just going to save it like so, and hopefully it has done that for me, and there it is. Look at that, my signature is right there and ready to go. Now we used a modern template there. Why don't we see if we can change that a little bit? I'm not sure where it was that we did that now. Maybe we had to choose it right at the beginning. Oh, there it is, in branding. So templates, products. Yeah. This basically takes
My signature.
No, it's if you see anybody they put at the end that looks formal, like Dr. Russian is in Miami, blah, 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 write a few lines, and then a lot of people put the graphic UM, something like saying or something. So when they sign their letters, the signature appears built in already. You understand?
A few lines of
But through your identification, and then it's usually when you're doing a formal, when you get anybody formal, sending you. So they have even the first week at the university when they have they all our students have signatures. When they send me something, at the end they'll say, you know, blah blah blah, University of Miami. No, it'll be like major, you know, business major, finance major, something. Their signature, like they're professional, but they're students. So he made himself a signature app where he has number of signatures where it stores a number of signatures. And then he could sell that app where somebody else can use his signature app where somewhere where you can store all your signatures. And then you can put it into your Gmail email, to your Outlook Gmail, to your Apple Gmail. He's using that as for his app. Plus, he's a smart idea to do that because then he advertises Fastbots. You know, he uses Base 44 to advertise his Fastbots. You understand?
Fields on the signature is for a privacy statement to go in, and it would appear
So you do.
very
So you basically has like a little chat button. He says, "I want to add a privacy statement." So then it'll create the code and put it into it. You tell it here what you want to add. See? Yeah, and then you preview. So they make a privacy. Have you ever seen at the end of emails and they say, "This is personal. This is not to be seen." Like HIPAA, this is HIPAA. Don't share it. You know, this is confidential. So you don't have to write that each time. It's part of your signature. That's the privacy.
You can make it private, so completely private, no one can use it, or you can have it public with no login whatsoever required. So there's a lot of different options there. You can invite users by copying a link, or you can just send out invites. Then you can see all the users that are using your app right here. And in terms of data, for us, we've just got the signatures. So you're kind of seeing the database behind the app as well. Again, because a lot of the other app builders out there have all this set them. You know, it's just so nice to have it and replace them with this crazy analytics.
So like you have like ChatGPT or Google right there. You don't have to go to that in order to query it.
You can just link it up to the app just there. Then you've got app security. You can scan for any security issues, which again, if you're coding yourself using things like Cursor, Windsurf, so that kind of stuff is not really done for you. You're going to have to figure that out. There's a lot of people who start building apps with no idea about any security things at all. So with Base, obviously, you can just click start the security check and it will find
He does a good job.
Speaking of which,
He
you
used
can access all of the code right here to your app. So if you want to make any edits within the code, if you are a bit of a code person, then a coder, then this is obviously perfect for you. But if you're like me and you're not into coding too, then it's going to be a lot easier just to speak your thoughts and have it do that. Even like the actual app logo there as well. I'd probably change that, to be something like signature station, logo. You can even generate a logo just here as well. It's got a flipping logo generator in here too. So and there's all of the different things in the one place there, all of the app settings there as well. The ability to go ahead and delete the app. I noticed there what could be really useful if you want to create some different versions of your app is you can clone it as well. So that is really, really really good. So let me know what sort of thing that you would build with base 44 underneath. I'm fascinated to know. As I say, I've needed to use one of these before. I'm actually going to connect this up to a domain and use it and make it public and use it myself as an experiment to see how many people use it. And I will also use it for me as well. If I wanted to be fussy then, of course I can go down the little parent change like this.
It's like a
Videos is
copyright. Copyright.
I might make it a little bit more kind of color coded and everything, but as it is, this is plain function and it's fully working. And I did it in 5 minutes, so that's pretty crazy. So that is base 44. Gotta give it a try underneath. Now, incidentally, this works on a credit system, and to create that whole app, I used just 9 credits. So that is pretty amazing. Now, how much does it actually cost? Well, you can do 100 monthly messages right there. That includes 2,000 integration credits, $20 a month.
He's a good pitch man for them. You know what? They should hire him. You know what I mean? Then those Israelis can't even say a sentence.
Then you can go on to this the builder line just there. But the cost saving of using something like this over actually hiring developers, I can assure you, is absolutely phenomenal. So this is the way forward, and I think as time goes on, this kind of software will just get better and better and better. And as you can see, it's already at the point where no coder can go ahead and build a really good app that works straight off the bat and is ready to host. So that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it.
What's nice about him is he thinks that he can use it as a signature. It's, you know, when he has it and what he's thinking about the signature, he can then make as an app and make it as a business, and other people can use his app to save their signatures. And he called his place Signature Station, and he used himself as an example. And you can then, depending on who you are, so you can use like a signature for University of Miami, a signature as you as a consultant, a signature as Wismar Biz, a signature for whatever, Demo Labs. So you just pick that when you sign, and then you have your whole signatures with, you know, he just created a signature app. But he doesn't show you. This is no 5 minutes, but at least it was good enough. I don't know how long. It was 15-minute video, which is good. He showed something. You know what I mean? So I haven't invited him this semester, but I could even invite him to show his show base 44 and his.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what I mean? That's great. You help me on that one. You know what I mean? So it's build a full app with just text.
Let me document what you have done.
What?
Documentation.
Document this. This is important, and I'm gonna tell.
Fine. Send me an email with the other one.
It's raining.
Fine.
That's what you love about it. You don't have to go anywhere. It's like it's raining a lot. Perfect.
So let's say that I want to color code it. So I'm going to color code it with blue, for example. Okay, now no code MVA. The search key was no code MVA, one word. So copy. Yeah.
Because she's supposed to come too, that Ellery, and show that code 44. I don't know if I should have her or him do it. I think it's better. Maybe we should talk about Wix. About
Now I'll go to the description. I will extend the description to get the entire description in. All the useful links, auto-dubbed, how this content was made, and show transcript. And now I can see if I can copy the transcript from beginning to end. I want to go to the end of the transcript. 15 minutes the whole thing took. And go all the way to the beginning. Mark all of that. Place the cursor on it and Control C, copy to the clipboard buffer. Then paste it right here, Control V, inside the gray area. So it will all be coded gray. Then I can play it and see what it says.
Trade futures on the go with Ninja Trader Mobile. Place trades with simple order management tools. Access.
Then point 1539. Can click on getting that. Then I want to get the entire screen. Green screen. Building. Put it down and select the entire full screen. I want to make it smaller. Then go to 1539. Right here. Control V to paste. And then after that I want to press enter again. I would like to make it smaller so it doesn't take so much of the screen. And scroll up. Save it. And a little smaller. Save it again. Very beginning here where it started, base 44. Beautiful web app using just text. Need base 44, no code AI app builder. Using only beginning tutorial vibe coding saved to this PC. Okay, need a full web app, that is the important thing. So, web app. So this is the difference. Full web app, not just the web app. Let's write it down here. Not too many open apps, so I'll close some of them. We'll keep that vlog one, and we'll close all the others for now. So this is closed. This is closed. Leave this open. This one's closed. So I want to change this from an just app a full web app. Full Copy. The backslash. Date. We can put 9/16/2025. The day of the week is Tuesday. Tuesday period, and the time of the day is 2:49. 49 p.m. Okay. Now, I have to review this. Copy it to the clipboard buffer and then save. We said original code app builder. Cancel navigate. Control V. Save again. For some reason I cannot scroll up and down and what's wrong with this word, but hangs up, so fine. Save. So we for now.